Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick video and talk about why I did not upgrade my Swytch Kit battery to the new version that they recently released. And I'm using kind of air quotes around upgrade because I really don't feel that the new version is an upgrade, but that's just my opinion, and I'm going to tell you why. So I've had the Generation 2 version for a little bit over a year now, and if you've seen any of my other videos, I'm really happy with it. I saw the recent announcement from Swytch in terms of their new version. It looked pretty cool. Did get a couple of comments here and there asking for me to review it or compare it. And you know, I buy these things on my own. I don't have any affiliation with Swytch, so for me to review something, I have to buy it. I don't need another kit. So I said to myself, when I saw the pre-order list, I'll get on that list and I'll take a look and I'll see what the cost is. And if it's reasonable, you know, I'll buy it and I can review it. And then, you know, maybe I could figure out a way to have 2 batteries on my bike instead of 1. In fact, I'm sure I could. But I decided not to. So the main reason I decided not to is the cost. So they only have 2 different versions available. One's 15 kilometers. The other's 30. If you compare that to my existing Pro power pack, this is a 50 kilometer range. That's a 40% difference. So I'm going to go to a battery that gives me 40% less range. And the cost of that, by the time you add shipping, was over $500. And that's just for, you get the battery, you get the new mount, and you get, I'm sure, the little handlebar mounted control, since the controls that are on the old battery pack don't exist on the new battery pack. So I'd have to take my bike, I'd have to take off my existing mount, I've got to put the new one on there, and that's going to render my existing 50 kilometer battery useless. That's a non-starter for me. The smaller version, the 15 kilometer version, is about $375 via pre-order. Now don't forget, now that included the shipping charges, if I remember it right. It was about 75 bucks to ship it, but then you got to pay customs once you get it into the country, so it's a little bit more expensive than that. So again, I was looking at the bigger one, a little over 500, couldn't justify it. And then the fact that it's got that new mount really means you can't use your old battery anymore unless you really get creative. Most people aren't going to want to get creative and aren't going to do that. So less range, more money just didn't make sense to me. Now the size is a little bit different. So this one is about 7.5 inches across. It's 2.5 inches deep, and it's about 5.5 inches high. Their new one, from what I can tell, is a little bit more than 1 inch thick. So on this side, it's thinner, and it looks like a big cell phone. It's about 4x9, and you know, it's cool. The mount is cool. You know, it's probably a little bit more portable, but come on, this is pretty portable, right? In the original videos, they're throwing it around saying, "Oh, it's the smallest and lightest battery pack that you can get," and you know, it still works for me. The new one you can fly with. I don't know if I can fly with with the existing one. I don't know why I would need to do that. In most cases, I don't think people, when they fly, are taking their bicycle with them. But you know, if that's something that you're going to do, it makes a difference. And then from a weight perspective, the new one's about 1.5 pounds, right? That's pretty light. This is 4.5 pounds. But you know, to throw this in a backpack, to me, is nothing. I think to most people, it's nothing. I've got 2 of these kits today. One's on my wife's bike, and if I go riding alone, sometimes I'll take her battery fully charged. Then I got twice the range that I have today. So in conclusion, obviously I didn't upgrade, right? So for me, 525 bucks for 40% less range, not worth it. 1.5 pounds versus 4.5 pounds, I don't care. I don't see 4.5 pounds as a problem. The size differences are negligible, and the fact that it's not backward compatible just kills me. Now I understand, I think, why Swytch did that. Having the handlebar mounted control is nice. However, now if I was Swytch, I would have built a mount that was compatible with the old style kit just to make it easier for people to upgrade, right? So the new light battery, if you're interested in that, but plug it into your old mount. Now, as time goes by and these things become available in the secondhand market, maybe I'll buy one and I'll do a couple of videos and show you how to do that. But until then, in my Swytch videos, you're going to continue to see me use my old kit. So everybody, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, like I always do. If you find these videos valuable and you're not already subscribed, please do. Give me a like. Thank you. Have a great day.